Meaning of Grand Prix.
Grand Prix.
Grand Prix.
Grand Prix.
Grand Prix. Grand Prix is a term commonly used in motorsport to describe a high-level racing event, typically an international competition featuring top-class drivers and vehicles. The term originated from France and translates to Great Prize. A Grand Prix race involves multiple laps of a circuit, with the winner being the first driver to cross the finish line. Drivers accumulate points from Grand Prix races throughout the season, and the driver with the most points at the end of the season is crowned the world champion. Grand Prix events are highly prestigious and attract large crowds of spectators from around the world.